In 1508, both Michelangelo and Raphael were active in Rome as they were commissioned by Pope Julius II to beautify the Vatican. Since Raphael's success in his works for Stanza della Senatura, everyone believed that Raphael was the Vatican's favorite artist, and this brought a feud between Michelangelo and Raphael. The feud began when Michelangelo lost several important commissions to Raphael. Raphael's easygoing personality became one of the factors why the Vatican favored him over Michelangelo, who was known for his temperamental and difficult personality. Raphael's expertise in frescoes and oil paintings also made him more suitable for papal projects than Michelangelo, who was more expert in sculptures. Also, Michelangelo's style in painting was known to be more dramatic and powerful, while Raphael's style was more towards harmonious, balanced, and idealized beauty, which aligned more with the church's preference.